that a 38-year-old female Chinese patient under investigation or PUI is positive.
415 na bagong kaso ng COVID-19 ang naitala ngayong araw sa Pilipinas. Pinakamataas po yan, wala na magkapandemya.
Pero kasabay niyan ang anunsyong luluwagan sa General Community Quarantine ang Metro Manila at ilang lugar sa bansa simula sa Miyerkules.
Ang paliwanag ng gobyerno, hindi lang daw basta-basta ang pagpapatupad niyang GCQ na yan. Sasabayan daw na mas maigpit na mga tinatawag ng granular lockdown. Nakatutok si Ivan Mayrina.
Sa gitna ng ilang sunod na araw na mahigit 20,000 ang bagong kaso ng COVID-19 sa bansa, ibinaba ang quarantine classification sa maraming lugar na bilang ng Metro Manila sa General Community Quarantine simula sa Miyerkules, September 8 hanggang sa katapusan ng buwan. Kandunayan, wala na ni isang region, probinsya o bayan ang nasa Enhanced Community Quarantine o ECQ. Modified ECQ na lang ang pinakamahigpit na iiral sa Apayao, Bataan, Bulacan, Cavite, Lucena City, Rizal, Laguna.
Ay, nandiyan na si ma'am.
Sabi ka.
Bida-bida sa class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class. Today we will discuss pandemics, especially preparedness and awareness. Pandemics do not begin with chaos, they begins with warnings. Yes, Ms. Gogo?
Like sa news, ma'am, health advisories, updates, ganun.
Exactly. Awareness helps people act early and prevent the spread of disease. Yes, Mr. Salcedo?
Preparedness means hindi tayo clueless sa mga nangyayari.
Correct. Being prepared means knowing what to do before a crisis happens. This lesson is not only for academics, this is something that can save lives.
Sometimes we ignore warnings until reality forces us to pay attention.
Class, this is now a pandemic situation. Everyone must follow safety protocols properly. We are okay. Thank you for being honest. Early reporting is a part of proper emergency response. You may take your recess.
Thank you, ma'am.
In a pandemic, discipline matters more than panic.
Guys, hilang tayo yung pinuprojectahan natin ha, at hiling yung family natin. Alas dati, okay lang lahat.
Actually, yung problema ba, kung nakakalit yung risk.
Remind lang, mask up and sanitize palagi. Kung magtutulungan tayong lahat, mas makakabilis at makabounce back. Pahinga ng tawag. Kahit stressful, helping others kaya makes it lighter.
Dito kaya ng solo. Team effort dapat.
Recovery begins when people choose cooperation over fear.
Okay, Omar, since you're awake, answer this. Why is pandemic preparedness important?
It's important kasi awareness and early warnings save lives. Preparedness helps stay calm and safe. Teamwork makes recovery possible, and helping others help the whole community survive.
Exactly, that is the point of this lesson.